Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome again to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul learning series by wavestrategy.com. So I'm going to make a very quick announcement on mentorship on timing the market. We are starting with a mentorship session which is in November, and the focus of this time mentorship is going to be timing the market. The reason being, I have been doing a huge study on time cycles, how to look at timing the market by looking at those cyclical analysis, how to forecast prices by looking at time. That is something very very interesting, right? अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि आप टाइम को देख के प्राइस को भी फोरकास्ट कर सकते हो, isn't that something amazing? तो अभी तक फोकस majority of the people had was on prices and prices. But have you witnessed so many of times it happens that अगर आप कोई पैटर्न को ट्रेड कर रहे हो, you see a failed breakout happening and then the prices comes down. You can see that happening a lot of times on bank nifty also. लेकिन अगर आप टाइम के साथ में पैटर्न को ट्रेड कर रहे हो, the chances of you being right increases sharply. So that's why I thought I've been talking about this mentorship program for some time. We conducted a lot many in past 1.5 years, and it was simply fabulous. My mentee says that it has transformed them not as a trader only, but it resulted into a life transformation. The reason, I'll tell you why I started with this mentorship program. I have been in the market for nearly more than a decade, nearly around 15 years. And I worked with Lehman Brothers in 2008. You can see that has filed for bankruptcy. So chaotic situation happened in 2008. Then the pandemic happened in March 2020. A lot of things happened in the past 10, 15 years of time. And I realized that if companies like Lehman Brothers, which was the US Wall Street big company, I was working there, on the risk side can go bankrupt in 2008, then anything is possible in this financial market. And that is exactly the reason I started building up more on the technical side. I did my chartered market technician CMT from US in just a year's time. It takes 3 years to do that, but I cleared all three levels in 1 year of time. And that is how passionate I am being about this subject. You might know me as the guy who is analyzing market using wave theory and time cycle. And I have been teaching about wave theory for many years and doing a lot of research on time cycles. In fact, I authored a book, Effective Trading in Financial Markets Using Technical Analysis, published worldwide in London as well and in India in October 2020. And that book focused on every aspect of technical analysis, right from the candlestick patterns to time cycles and to wave theory, a lot of those things. And so I've done my CMT, I've authored a book, and I realized how difficult it is for people who want to possibly quit their job and do trading as a full-time opportunity. Is it possible to do that? Yes, absolutely. The other thing that I have learned over the years is traders are not necessarily born. You can create traders if you can discipline them. What I've observed is over the period of time is that people lack discipline. They have the method, they have the tools, but they don't have a mentor who can tell them if they are on the right path. And that results into delay of what they can possibly do in few months or years into taking a long journey if they are persistent to pursue it. Many a times you will see that the traders just come to the market in 3 months or 6 months of the time they are out of the market because they have the tools but they don't have the necessary discipline, and they don't have a mentor who can tell them whether they are applying it in the correct fashion or not. And that is the reason I started with the mentorship program. And so many of the people who have been a part of this Ashish Kal Trading Gurukul, we say that they have literally said this has transformed them for good. And that is what we do. So what is the mentorship in November that we are starting with on timing the market going to talk about? It's going to be consisting of 3 months journey with me. You are going to be with me for a period of 3 months. We discuss about practically on daily basis what you are doing right, what you are doing wrong. We look at the methods that works in the market. We look at the risk reward. We look at money management, risk management. Now that is something so important but so not talked about. सब लोग टारगेट की बात करते, प्रॉफिट्स की बात करते, सेंसेक्स कहां पहुंच गया 60,000, Nifty पहुंच गया 17,000 and all of those things. But people don't talk about what is your risk management and how much leverage you should take, how you should trade using options, how you should form a strategy around that. That is the most important part. And if you are an option trader, timing the market is the key. If you are not able to time the market, you can't make money. In fact, just I talked about Sensex at 60,000. In fact, about in 2013, 2014, I published a research report predicting Sensex to go towards 61,000 by 2020, 2019, 2020. I'm just off by a year, but that prediction went absolutely fabulous. I'll share across that research if time permits, and that shows that I am able to time the market absolutely well. अभी तक सुना होगा आपने, काफी जन बोलते fund managers and everyone never time the market. I say that if this tool is available and I want to bring this tool which is used by hedge funds, big players across to each one of you, then why not time the market? Because if you are trading and if you are off by an hour also, yes, if you are off by an hour, you will possibly lose a lot of money or make a lot of money. That 1 hour can make all the difference in your trading is what I believe, and that is absolutely possible if you join this mentorship program. So हम ये mentorship में क्या-क्या cover करने वाले? You will be a part of my Master of Cycles program. That's a classic product which we had, and this Master of Cycles will transform your way of looking at the market. So you will be a part of Master of Cycles. You get access to Master of Technical Analysis program, which is recording. Master of Cycles live we are going to have on 9th and 10th of October, which will be a part of that. And also you will be getting live access, live event access to option trading using technical analysis. This is a new module we are introducing, which we call as OTTA. You get access to that. You will be also attending my live Master of Waves program. Plus, along with that, you will be with me for period of 3 months. And the association does not stop at 3 months. You will be a part of the Trading Gurukul community on Telegram for lifetime, along with access to a exclusive mentorship discussion forum, which is meant for mentees only. And also I'll be keep coming out with interactions with my mentees every few period of time, and that access you will have. So you will be with me for lifetime is what I can say. What do you have to do? So what is the pricing for this and how do you register for this module? The pricing is 1,20,000 plus GST under the early bird offer. If you register, and the early bird ends soon by the end of this month. So if you register being early bird, you get it for 1,20,000 plus GST. Post that, the pricing is going to be 2,80,000 plus GST. And I'm going to give you a simple math. The bonus is and access to live events, which I'm going to give you, is phenomenal this time. Because you being a part of the cycle enthusiast, अगर cycle time cycles का मतलब क्या है? Market को predict करना to the very minute, that is possible. And I've been doing that for many years. In fact, if you follow me on CNBC TV 18, CNBC Awaaz, or other business channels, I talk in fact about that, how the markets are going to turn back up in the second half of the day. I did that lot of times. Even I tweeted lot of times that how it is going to go by this date on this time, and it has worked out like magic. So don't you want to be a part of this magical phenomenon of learning the market? I'm sure many of you might be thinking, "Arey yaar, ye cost hai." This is not a cost. This is an investment into knowledge, which is going to stay back for you for lifetime. Can I do it by reading a book? Yes, you can do it, but you need to be having that patience. You need to have that time, and you need to have that years with you. Are you committed for 5 years, 6 years, or 10 years like me to build up on the research slowly and steadily and keep learning out of it and then making a big hit? or you get in touch with a mentor. A mentor can reduce your time scale of learning that can take a decade to few months. That is possible, and that is my commitment to you. I am going to make it happen for everyone who wants to be successful in trading. Maybe you want to quit your job, do it full time. Maybe you only have 15 minutes a day. It depends on what how you want to pursue. If you want to trade intraday, or if you want to trade positionally along with your existing business, all of those things are possible only if you are a part of this wonderful community and mentorship program, which is starting in November. So time is now. सोचना नहीं है, अगर सोचने में तो markets have gone from where to where, but were you a part of that progress in the market which happened? Are you a keen option buyer or a seller? I can make it happen, because we are going to be timing the market in mentorship using option trading. That is the theme of this mentorship program. Also, as soon as you register, I'm going to give you access to certain bonus videos which you will start learning right today. तो access आपको आज से ही मिल जाएगा, and उसके बाद में the live session start. We are going to meet every Saturday, 3 Saturdays in a month. We are going to talk, discuss about market, risk management, money management. We will create multi-bagger portfolio stocks for each one of you, and we will also have live trading session. What more can you expect in this kind of a phenomenal? Because the live sessions, which is of option trading using technical analysis, master of waves program, master of cycles program, these are live sessions you will be attending, which itself is 6 days work of nearly 12 hours each. That itself is going to be nearly 36 hours of training. Apart from that, you will also be getting recordings of this program again to refresh. So we are strategizing entire module in a way that you learn end to end. If you are a beginner, it does not matter. I'm going to ensure you get it. Or if you are already an expert trader, your accuracy can increase drastically. I'm not going to say you become 100% accurate, because people who claim that they are faking it, there is nothing in this market where you can predict with 100% surety. It's about future. आपको पता नहीं कल क्या होगा. So how do you know with 100% surety about the future also? But there are times when you are 95% probabilistically sure. अगर आप 95% भी sure हो, you know you can make a lot of money. If you are even 70% sure, you can still make a lot of money. And just a twist, if you are 30% sure and you are an option buyer, you still can make a lot of money. So someone told that your accuracy should always be 70% to make money. That's a false. And then these all things are very important, which I'm going to demystify when we start with this mentorship program. So what are you waiting for? How to register for this program? There is a link on the bottom. If you're watching it on YouTube, you just click on that link, which is of wavestrategy.com/mentorship, and you will get that, and you'll have all the details. If you want more details, my colleague can speak with you. I can speak with you personally. The number you have to simply dial on is 99204 Thank you very much. This is Ashish Kal signing off. Welcome to this wonderful journey of mentorship. I'm going to be your mentor. Life will become different. That is my commitment to you. You just have to become disciplined. I will give you all the necessary tools that you require for timing this market, and along with that, you will learn fabulous way of trading, right from time cycles to wave theory. And it does not matter if you are a housewife, you are a student, you just starting, it does not matter. I've been speaking at times, I'm going to speak again soon there, and it's simply fabulous to see students so much enthusiastic learning about the market, and it is simply helping me to spread across this awareness. This is what I want to do. My mission and vision is to ensure each one of you learn the right way of trading the market and make money as a byproduct if you are trading it right without anxiety. So becoming a wonderful trader is what my theme is, and I hope each one of you are there, and I'll make you come there, because I have seen how it works. You just have to follow the path. Thank you very much. Ashish Kal signing off. See you soon. Thanks a lot.